So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the unique and sort functions within Google Sheets. You can use the unique function if you want to create like a unique list. So like what we have here, we have departments. I want to create a unique list from this departments column. So I'm gonna come here, hit equals, type unique, and I'm gonna select the range that I want this list from. Here it is, Control Shift down and enter, and I get this unique list. But the only problem with this function and locking it in here is that what if I want to add another department? Then the function wouldn't pick up that new department. So to keep that from happening, I'm going to remove the 46 because I don't want to limit it at the 46 cell. And so when I do that, I just made this list more dynamic, because if I add a department here, it automatically updates here. Next, I'm going to create a list, again using the unique function, but I'm going to combine it with the sort function to create a list of departments and positions. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort this list based on the department. I'm going to start out with using the unique function like I showed you before. This time, because I'm sorting two different columns, the department column and the positions column, I'm selecting both of these. Now I want to sort this. So I'm going to put this unique function inside the sort function. I'm not giving the sort function any particular parameters. If you use the sort function like this, what it's going to do is going to sort based on the department. So the departments are going to be in alphabetical order. And that's what we have here. All the positions sorted by the finance department are here. It's the same thing for the marketing. And then next to marketing, you have all the positions within marketing, procurement, sales, and so on. Next, what we're going to do is use the sort function to sort all this employee information based on the salary. And we're going to sort it based on the descending order of the salary. So the larger salaries will be at the top, smaller salaries will be at the bottom. My range is going to be this whole data set. Next, the column that I want to sort by, and I want it to sort by the salaries column. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4th column. So I'm going to put 4, enter 4 here. Next is asking, do we want it sorted ascending or descending? And so if you want it sorted ascending, you would type true. But since we want it sorted descending, I'm going to write false right here. And when I do that, we sorted this data based on the salaries in descending order. If you want to make this dynamic, if you have new employees, new departments, new positions, you can make this dynamic by referencing column D and not column up to column D46. Next, we're going to sort the names based on the salary. So we're going to do the same thing, but instead of using all of this data, we're just going to use the names, and we're going to sort the names based on the salaries to pull a unique list, sorted list of employee names. I'm going to use the sort function again, sort. The range is going to be this range, and the column we're going to be sorting it based on is going to be the salaries column, and we want it in descending order. So false. This is our list of employee names sorted by salary. These are two very useful functions you can use within Google Sheets, the unique function and the sort function. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, subscribe for more tips like this.